Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Prairies by Boywithuke. I've done this tutorial before, but it was requested again on my Instagram by this person. So I want to try something new since I'm doing the same song twice. So we're going to switch to boom, point of view mode. Alright, so first thing you want to do is grab your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A. If you have one of these, it helps a lot. It's a nice little automatic tuner, lets you know that it's all in tune. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and get to the chords. Da-na-na-na-na. I don't remember what I did in the old video, but this song I've now figured out only 4 chords. I don't know if that's what it was last time, but let's just go with it. So the first chord is going to be an A, which is my pointer finger on this 2nd string 1st fret and your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret. The chord after that is a B. I like to bar this 2nd fret, put my middle finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret after the bar, and my ring finger on the top string of the 2nd fret after the bar. The chord after that is an E, and the bar chord is just easier for the way that you play the song because of this bar chord and the chord after E. So if you just keep your finger barred on the 2nd fret, you just want these top 3 strings and the 2nd fret past the bar. And that would be E. And then on to the final chord, which is a D flat minor. It's kind of like the E, except you spread it a little further, and then you want these bottom 3 strings. So you bar the 1st fret, and then bar these bottom 3 strings on the 4th fret. That one's a little harder to do. If you don't like that one, you can't do that, you can always just play your pointer finger on this top string, your middle finger on the 2nd string, both on the 1st fret, and then your pinky on the bottom string of the 4th fret. That is also D flat minor. So yeah, but I'm going to be playing all the bar chords. So A, B, E, and D flat minor. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. Alright, so what I figured out is the best strumming pattern for this song is like either 8 down strums or 7 down strums, and I like to call it an because it just helps me to play it right. But it basically sounds like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a. It's basically 7 and then down up really fast while you switch chords. So I feel like that is the best. You can play that throughout the entire song, and I think it sounds pretty good. So once you kind of do that, it'll sound like this playing through all the chords, starting with A, then B, then E, then D flat minor. We'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a. So let's go ahead and try to play through a little bit of this song. Oh, what have you done? Lock me up, I'm falling in love. Get me out of here. I said get me out of here, 'cause I have homework and stuff I need to do, late assignments, papers overdue, I'm all out of tears, blurry nights won't disappear. I was in my bed, I tried to sleep, I held my breath, I was too weak, I fell into your open arms, break my heart, take it too far, I don't care, this isn't fair. I love the way you do your hair, I love the way you write your name, I love the way you're driving me crazy, you're driving me mad. Keep dreaming of prairies and memories that we'll have. My mom calls me lazy, my friends call me sad. Haven't been eating lately and I haven't been in class. And then it gets to the next verse and you go through all that over and over again. So yeah. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Prairies if you haven't learned already. And let me know if you guys like this point of view kind of thing, because I can remake almost all the tutorials I did and make new ones with this point of view thing, if that's what you guys like better. So let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?